evening, viewers. Welcome to another edition of Legal Hour program. My name is MC Chaka. I'm your host for this educative and insightful program that we bring to you. Now we do this program on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So yesterday, Lawyer covered the English version, which obviously we had a lot of people, tuning in to watch the program. Thank you very much for joining Lawyer Thomas Bebejo to obviously educate ourselves in line of whatever that we bring to you. Tonight we've got another interesting topic, and it's the tree version for what was covered yesterday. Before I move on to the topic for tonight, I'd like to entreat each and everyone to share this program. Please make sure if today is the first day that you're watching us, you click on the notification button, that anytime that we come live on Facebook, you will be able to be notified. And also, if you can drop a comment alongside whilst you're watching this program. Sometimes a lot of people say, Chaka, we've been watching you, but we don't hear our names. Please make sure that you comment and your name will pop in or pop out, and I'll be able to see you or recognize you and give you the acknowledgement that you need. Tonight, our topic is very, very unique. Immigration is truly on my heart. And in the UK, there are a lot of things going on, and there are a lot of restrictions that people can't really regularize their stay or get their right to remain in the UK. So every little opportunity that comes out, we are happy to share with you that obviously be able to use that and regularize your stay or get your documents or your leave to remain in the UK. Tonight, I'm here with Lawyer Thomas Bebejo, and before I go to him, I just want to introduce the topic very briefly. Tonight's topic is quite unique. We're going to talk about how you can obtain indefinite leave to remain in the UK whilst you're on a special visa, which is for 3 years. And we let you know what kind of visa that you'll be on. So for instance, you've been given this visa and you've got the 3 years visa. Once you're on this visa, you can apply afterwards to get an indefinite leave to remain. We will explore how you can even obtain this visa, whether you are making application from Ghana or in the UK. So you see, it's very exciting, very entertaining, and of course, very educative. So please make sure that you get everyone on board because it's going to benefit all of us. All right, this is a tree version, so I'll do the intro in tree, and then I'm a welcome lawyer and we crack on. Etiefo ne ahwefo me cheche mo nyina and then yumre me gidi se baby obia hoye me di ne MC Chaka and then legal awagimedie me na me host emma dwumade sonko aye de bremo ye de bremo e benada eni ukwada bia and then nkomo aye betwetwe no me ne Lawyer Thomas Bebejo share ye betwetwe nkomo afa ekwan a obefa so na wenya waset na afebo wabra over 3 years visa bi na sa 3 years visa de mo ho visa kro enunti wetimi agina so na wenya we indefinite na se afebo e wo UK ha anampo se wo make application for Ghana no enti ene immigration ho asem ana ye babeka. It is the first time I watch me am throw notification button no na wa click so de be a brebi bebe bia no na wo hu se yaba na dwumadie no ekoso. Lawyer Atnasi, inti me ma lawyer kwaba sonko na makọ short commercial break. Me ba na afei ye de ahihye so. Inti Lawyer Thomas Bebejo, mo kwaba sonko ba CITI media. Bibia bako de media. Bibia bako. Ye de nyame ase. And then so we busy pa. Good.
Busy the time here busy. Yeah, na clients complaining, but that's wrong. Obia fa office number no, because the juma your door so na juma no. I said sometimes we be 20 unto fa call, court unto fa call, but office one the time here why a crowd will say only a clients bekasa.
Yo yate. And the topic no enda strong kokra na answer ne be call topic this no. Lawyer we dey make short commercial break aba na me ba na ye dey ahihye so. And then more questions ebusa na me sure say etiefo ne ahwefo so aye crowd ever say omuti opa because we here na enra no me hu say na amanfo eni age ho yi nti na de chocho muchu na ye tree version nti nyabotre na chichi mu yi so twi dey say improve party ai ti nyabotre chichi mu yi ti e ko shop commercial break ye ba na ya to adwumadi so enti yesrem a mo twe ye ba sisi ya You are here for Safina, what in a Mamunina Ajo. Within MC Chaka, medical introduction of full any trimo. And Safina Oshe Sabri, a Chechiam, baby, I will be from CITI Media Studio. And I'm name Thomas, Lawyer Thomas Bebenyo, and a war studio Hanum. And a topic no edas from Kokra. Na answer na yebeko so mesre se obi bia wo hwe bia no be hye ama onua bi enya bi se de be ya ono nso benya ho mfaso abeni abeni nyina no yeba ya na futusem a lawyer ede maye no ya ne ho hia ye pie pa e wo mremu e wo UK mamu se fa immigration e fa family law employment baby bia ne nsem a yebeka wa ha no e ade a ebo amanfo na adanse die no so eba na eba ti bomodi aso be hye na fi utie na wa drop a comment na ye hu se ampa utie na adwuma na ye no woni ye na yeko MC Chaka sumebo din na obi hu se ampa utie and the topic no e da stronko and the topic no ye ba ye immigration law na mpempi no ya na enkrofo kwan a omutimi especially wo krum ha a mu bisa se kwan be na betimi afaso na wotimi anya indefinite leave to remain. Pempi among foreign say just ebia when you be up to 5 years and I say wako winim kakra and sana wetimi age indefinite no na any lawyer be check mu adekodi and I say your visa categories be and visa sunku bi ho no a ukra ehu hia say eso kokodru 5 years and 10 years nemu betimi agina so the enya indefinite leave to remain. And service akoya so no wo abroad ubetimi agina so ameki application said dey be ya ye be ma 3 years no ama ode abakoma no etiene eno hu komo na me lawyer Thomas Bebenyo e be twetwe medical ma lawyer kwaba na me be shase abusa lawyer me busa ne say ene topic yi kwaya obi betimi obtaining indefinite leave to remain wa bra over 3 years visa no a day and a bed done a comma so saying a mental san common lawyer.
Yo, Chaka, that's said the baby I am mechanical, Emrano, honomo. Na a semco foom Emrano said a bear, Paso Paso Amomo. Because Emrano, I am fine, Yajuma, not just a Paso, Maso, and my. Answer na the bay adwuma so na ye hu se samra no so ho enti ebre bia no e pese ya e de se ne ma na betudwa se de no ana me kan se ma me bi frɛ who said time yes adoption intercountry adoption we know
yeah
many months ago I think yes, about yes no ana bi frɛ me or show YouTube and I did the other stress and you be a inuya be a couple be number me na on why mobile will be an over show or adopt home na no who can be fast to your mother na I saw a cheese on said a futu papa bia ma na told my kuma so say adiano and that's so na okobo na okopie YouTube video ya a otie na ade na chese o nso oh say na equanity o na no friend on me kasa o se bia next week o be na transfer na yetumi aboa mo de san kola namba and the American say samra we I want to since February 2020
okay
until more than 2 years. But Meridi, now to me say, go for be aware about it. And I said, the care for near the but beyond and one uncle for you. But area and so and so no. We feel one I just only 3 years put me indefinitely to me. And if not, may my princess idea. But the bed tutor because a young go for more harm or more to me if she say root, you know, or more gun and so again. Or tin baby, or not a bit make she say root to the other. Now, Fasio on so say, oh, but and yes, no rubber tittle. and they say me bahasi we share me phone so e will be no more on employers and your issues ya suspend your more ye very come pesa e almost so employers so be ya general license e ba very come see no sa de we ya there unya sa ne mani na no enya there order obedwen because you don't have any problem to do all those things.
Okay, you better more to na yes here don't yes here enti sa visa sunquin me dika ahyase ewo omo amanone no omo amanone no ekwan ben no be faso a o metimi ameki sa application no ame am visa no na so mo meki sa special application we are visa saying de be mo ama o metimi de be UK hanom.
You check out that say yes omo amanone no so we hwe mu na kire say say go for be na wa amanone a omo apply me fanya phantom because normally no me kire adim na me de phantom ya na ebo amantiase ye adwuma unsem kofo e wo Ghana bibiri na this time omo ya aware say omo apply school so mba be masters mba first degree ina no omunya besa na mutunto musuafo omo ile no mama no moba problem ba on say bia oba na wan school ahwa na obisa na yakutwo but the point is say before on be nyansa student besa ya bai so omo apply to school no na school no ma omo certificate of studies acceptance of studies na amode aginaso ede aba which is the CAS na sa route we no so what the very fact one sort of school no more bodies for no awarding bodies sa awarding bodies no wo no be your application akoma awarding body no say me for that me wono say na meye enti no me pese me di tumpon e ba ha sei na ebe to amadwuma no so okrum ha sei enti omo no mbe asese ade a woye na omo akiche mu bebre betume bo asa church no kofu enti awarding body bia o area or consider omo applications enti se wo di application e mo na utua o fee no na so mo approve no mo grant o say o area na o pese wo de beto adwuma so okrum ase no enfa so wo so mai na emiti requirements na just say o ma certificate of approval and no happen na we here now they can so the application
you lawyer me that say what was achieve mo say na evans will be Ghana na o pese o make his application we say obeda hun say e be at the field and an area kra the speciality e wono awarding body way and regularity e kwan be na nipa de befa so because no say e be awarding body say also na be bia wore de nti make say e be a obi a carpenter ni and obi a seamstress or pomade and be a tailor and be a pharmacist different areas be day no hunu say oh maybe what have my awarding body any and she move and say the panel
yo Edina te bia me kase yense yo hono mono ense ye adwuma ye but woko home office guidance ni mu a ube hu se we ye bodies na home office recognize your mono omo list ewo omo site no all the recognized bodies no ewo hono mo a wo na obehwu se okay me baby a me pese me ye my application and the be filled in one hana a follow. For example, we go home office website that clients are licenses are more approval more rated a sponsorship license or more in our honor.
Okay.
No, one of my clients came and you na ade nti na menya license ubia sa di CV preme na me say go no mo alata ne Ghana ne ba bia no mo nyina no omo ko site ho no ma because I proper say we details say no sponsorship license rated A no which made you be back room I see and nti na mo nyina di CV ade pre wo nti omo nso so omo application omo ye no omo le hear the true details now.
Okay.
In awarding bodies and so on, no, they are also there to receive application. Just say, omo be application, no, in time. Say be omo be some application. I be omo say last time I check some of the science ones, the humanities be omo say omo open application be a deadline be as 16th of October. Okay. I say school for almost a year a year. No, some fancy be a person over school. Sometimes omo. Say be between May to maybe about August, you know, applications are open.
Oh, okay.
Until second time, Sana and also.
Oh, great. And that's just say, I don't know, we share maybe we felt a while now. Okay. You are here for emphasis. I wish you the one to me one now. What friend like Thomas said, the bear or no bit to me. I just I wish you no amount. Now, let me make my questions. So now, maybe say. Some applications my person the rural stages num kakra stages so person your application and stages paying so fast so and so now what me some application
you know I say the chairman say normally a first stage we go through the awarding body application process and he say we go through the awarding body application process and I say we are successful na omoma approval no say the medical can certificate of approval no and then our ignorance of the application because remember I say again with the young factor I say care companies here license small modern for bar say home office once or more license there's more approval or more say or more 2 means or may issue offer letter amount be say say nipa we ma fa na dwuma enti ma fa na dwuma mu no manifesta no mra no me dwuma ma me sa na home office ama sa wedding bodies no so dwumi say
okay
wo na wo betuma hu kofo a omo talents for the no wo the application to one mo a omo ya wo betuma qualify say we meet you criteria enti I say I apply for school, now I'm admission.
Yeah.
As long as I want me to school no criteria, now I'm admission. No. But we know the any academics in Kwan. Anything I do, baby, I bet them go for that requirement, but I just say now what be me. The first stage in the say, we be nya sa approval.
Okay.
In whichever field won. We are then the next stage in the say, over making application to apply for the visa.
All right. You better call application and answer the call. Say the lawyer who change the way, and I just say we know a skilled workers application. Now we patch out so yeah I doubt this special application and this skilled workers application so yeah them kakra.
Okay. So say that when say at them be a say skilled workers application almost all of them. No? There are other skilled workers categories. Like and one I will take my time to explain because there are many more categories of these applications. When you care for them now, I didn't be an what I say. There are a lot of them out there. To me, was that church and go for, and Uncle for we say, and also a route on which you may use. But so say that when I say, so what per se, we use skilled worker route at the back room as here. One, as a unya sponsor. And you know, employee, unya sponsor now, or no be issue certificate of sponsorship at the amount. Now they are your application, our banner by your man. Now, so that I'm making. Say, sponsor now. What pass over by your man? So I'm managing a license in the year, say, or revoking a license, which for now, no, home office is becoming quite brutal because let's say with the baby on my phone, so the client it's not my client, will be na refer na my actual analysis where I said to call for judicial review.
Oh,
now actual analysis, unfortunately, a lot of will be in phobia or mobile. 2 months ago, my almost say they are not going back to Egypt, but obviously, yeah, more only 60 days. He say, I want to try some baby sponsor for now. I'm on a Juma, and yes, I dear, I'm go back to Egypt.
oh,
Almost as some person go Egypt if you. If I call it your mobile, say, when try say just a bit me up more. So you see, he say. Once I sponsor the listening license, automatically, no, now will depend on for way, once what you sue or
yeah.
And secondly, sponsors and also responsibility say, so while my Juma, said Juma now, where you were here, or a portoa, and they say, I'll pay you be frame. Now, honestly, when you have few issues with the employer, I honestly see, and also, sir, and also, almost one man, I think the next week, some report number home office, some withdraw and crater. So that means you are tied to that employer. Your fate lies in that employer. The time the arm and chunk of force say, yeah, more I don't want to we make sure that you man more, money employer and be a good relationship, say the bear and go bass, or because where you would now be travel with him. Now, into my chair. Skilled worker for the Oba sa root we are making one some year. A hano. Oh, here sponsor. We hear be my name for Jumum. Now, Muno, obey your application to sell a awarding body to sell a match muno. Now, on one more approver. Now, so be do crew was here, which me are self employed, which me a jumbo be.
Okay.
And he, oh no. Obia and Casse were losing a license in Tino, yeah, but job is a few sem. In fact, a Juman Pono, when you be an obey. The only time I says, oh, could you indefinitely to me and say, we should say, oh, yeah, Juma, because obviously, what a dear, and best amount indefinitely, I bet you go. Now I bet no more buying.
Okay.
And which means we say, a router, it is one of the best, what that's what now other. When you are doing PR. It doesn't say me no and that scale what kind of side routine.
Yo, Tina say me tell you kind of yepa.
Yeah.
So this special routine oba esa one kasa na okopo adwuma.
Yes, because you are not tied to an employer.
Ti adwuma na esa okopo no was say the area of speciality because say awarding body bia no the area. Let's say pharmaceutical area and I be until I say a course na lawyer.
Yes, she would MC Chaka. Yes. Yes. This is a very important point. And Koba say, we say we a tailor. Na if you a tailor, what to me I demonstrate here shows that skills I oba has here, which me I tailor juma. Ube do I say, I which my self-employed, now I will tell a Juman. But Uncle Bass, I will call you McDonald's.
Right.
And the question of beside, like I said, Juman now, we are so we are self-employed, Clara, and say, I will follow the now, would Ignaso.
Good.
And I say, we are Juma, a beer, buy a beer, a Burberry for warehouse, and your mouth, I say, I won't know, or we are dating, we are Juma or more warehouse, one more. Now, Wabo tell for fashion, side, Enti which mean on why Juma. And answer one Casabay Juma, but it has to be in the same line of business and now would you say a horn of talent in one. Then go back over now go security. But the point is that again, which may any other job, but your main job or not should be fulfilled, but which my extra job. In fact, which me go school part time, which me go school full time. Nina, there, which me there is fact. What was that there before I went indefinitely? It's like there is no restriction. I will leave no so.
William say more him yepa. I think for say afena o share and as afena be join high city media TV. And me lawyer Thomas Bebenyo and share twetwe nkɔmɔ na ne nkɔmɔ no emu hwam ye twetwe nkɔmɔ afa special scheme bi a aba anasa ɔhɔ dadampo na manfo ni nkɔso sɛ baabi a wo bia wo Africa o baabi a wo bia no wobetimi make application na wo yes application ya weba kroma na true that so wobetimi de nya indefinite leave to remain na ne lawyer chichi ma kwan a wobetimi afa so ameki sa application no say there should be and I say awarding body be wo hono because adwuma bia wo body I awarding on na lawyer kyerɛ sɛ wo friend and say baabi a wo kofi kɛseɛ for website ko hwɛ mu a bon awarding body ɛwɔ hɔ for wo talent and I say wo adwuma a wo yɛ no ti ever say wo yɛ seamstress and wo yɛ tailor and baabi a wo yɛ baabi a wo na awarding body na wa make application to the awarding body no the awarding body ne accept wo and I say omoma osa offer na ho na obegina so na wo dey make application no wa church so ye eda sa special scheme bi any skilled workers scheme no ho enti ade a am say a very good party skilled workers ne dey na che say ne say care na abetodwa just a company no amount certificate of sponsorship and send what media make your application it na lawyer to no say HHM ebusua ebusa lawyer questions na answer na yebeto aso no me acknowledge viewers omo hwe me celebrity kaka me so wo hwe program ya na was send a message said e be ya and a comment said e be ya ibehu say woni yen na ekọ na yetimi acknowledge you very important say ibehu your viewers na bibia akoso enti Ernestina Kakari also good evening Floxy Chinagorom Ellie says good evening everyone. Good evening to you Floxy. Good evening to you. Kenachi Standard says good evening everyone. Kenachi, good evening to you too. Edward also, this is going to be interesting. Of course, Edward, with the educhum, so they kind of doing educhum, just a brosokra, very interesting. Edward also, Eddie, the Mechecha will be a Ernestina, or say, thank you very much. May God bless you, lawyer. Thank you very much to Ernestina. All right, honest prick, or say, hi everyone. Hello to you, honest. Ernestina, Beyonce, I'm with my family. We are watching. Thank you very much. Ernestina, me bo abaso. Anytime be na wahada da. Nyame sha said the bia so promote. But mo dey so we share program so ama obi bia enya ohun faso. Eric Nyako, or say the best law firm CITI. Of course, I mean undisputable, you know. You can't compare them to anyone. Said the lawyer Thomas and University, said the Numa Full City, any media Namedia Domono, ultimately and fan compare with here. Kofi Amwateng. Kofi say good evening, Mr. Thomas. Hope you are well. Kofi,
very well. Tell the catcher, good. It's good to hear from you.
Kofi lawyer say or tell catcher, they are not well in cap. Na you know say. All right. Akosia sewa every year. Hey, MC Akosia one. MC Yebefro. Akosia say hello everyone. Akosia ehwe and then Akosia no share our platform kese no so. Share program our platform kese no so. Emmanuel say good evening lawyer. Emmanuel say ocheche lawyer. Koski Hackney Koski they say Koski Okoshe Lease and Obokash. Koski say good work. Thank you very much Koski. The mayor of Hackney, Echo David Echo. I say good evening bro. Thank you very much. I say well done bro. Desmond Beniana, Desmond say I'm watching you live from Wellingborough. Thanks lawyer and Chaka for the good job. Hey, Desmond, the chia Wellingborough phone I hope say be a koso. The church among you. Ernestina, or say amen. And Hakusia sewa or say share. Thanks. Share please. All right. Kwajo Boateng or say good evening. I'm watching you live from Glasgow for a church amo. Kwajo Boateng, I mean shamo say munyina ma share. Enti jumadi no ekoso na You know, must say more patronizing na bibia. Because it's here try your question so emergency. Lawyer, it is a special scheme. I'm say the amount for energy on pa ye because when they send adwuma bebre Ghana professionals so it be sure say amount for be 2-1 amount no more share awarding bodies not make application to them. Now, but me musa cost say who make application say to the awarding body no na ne board dia na they be putting crop off.
There be the TNS say application to the awarding body is as low as £456.
Oh.
Even though we say Ghana is a me too. But compared to application fees for other categories, one of the lowest. Because, for example, person which is sponsorship plans is 536. Some of them which are immigration skills charge. We won't share immigration skills charge.
Oh, okay.
So the two components pena would share. One, we share 456 which are awarding body now when you approval certificate. Now when your application now we share £156 application fee and not pay
for the visa.
That's right.
Oh, okay.
That is for the visa fee. And not pay and we share. Now in your more EU for ya or once to see how they are can switch your moon to me. Omo de see at this one mom.
Oh.
Omo to meet you £97. Chaka chrome was saying before almost a shame ran. Omo nim nyansa pa. Because who said them biano because the reason tia man for enya scared worker vesa ebe chrome as any idea. Because we go through the Ghana, we are going university piano what a brofo. Because brofo na the chair there. We go our corporate where you SHS Crampuno. What me my client last time because I was very impressed. Or cultural or we see who go school was even do SHS. Yeah, first never from SSC. Yes, yes. See that's a SHS. Or cultural BY will chat.
Oh yes.
Obi wo be a Germany, Italy, Spain, France. Bi ko kuta PhD. Okochwa sa bi wa na ontwa because on table for no. Nti adwuma no eba no. Ono table for nti no. Home office for so omo de tumi so abehye adwuma for no nsem se. Wo na wo be decide ni pa opese. One of the Baba Kumatabe or Juma. And look, my work clients are being moved to Russia near there, or more Numa or Krumasia, or more person more day go fulfill Russia ever. Sometimes no more Casa, na do baby, I will be and no like Planam needing Como, or Brazil, all the way from Brazil. A Juma when you're Juma has or about visit when you're Juma has here, yeah, application, Amano. Now, what you mean? I call back to the visit nearby. I call your application nearby. And T brofono your advantage. Am I ain't gonna phone?
No question,
sir. And T said the mechano. Omunim say, and I'm saying, Skewa canon, Kofobi breathe into me because of brofono. And in China, sadly, we go on, just say, Hano, there is brofo requirement in your normal. And this will be a tiller. Na se tele na dem pam ni na se what me up making a presentation to our wedding body amano a year oba no be pam na de na e bi anya brofo no de ba be pam enti ha say no omo aim bisa for English language requirement compared to other ones no bisa for English language.
Oh wow,
that's one advantage. Second advantage so say we say ko for e do omo either say employer and be certified maintenance, and as on be sure say at least £1,270 our account for 28 days minimum, and some of the application are two. And yes, I be refused. We know there is no financial requirement.
Oh, okay.
There is no English language requirement. In fact, only 10 hours by the over your TV. Police report you grandpa and count.
Wow. Now your maintenance requirement be I saw me Tiana.
And I make us say no maintenance requirement. No maintenance requirement. No English language requirement.
Hey, let's just then lawyer, who do we compare skilled workers now? Not just say we no more go pa.
And I make sure say it is one of the best. And the point in it say, you won't go for more crew more say or more school on which me assist with the presentation of those even staff no for the background to the awarding body. Because all you have to do is to make that presentation to the awarding body. Now when you approve no, all the bar and you have no because say brofo there because brofo your requirement. Remember I said my application na home office first started beside the question. I tell them guys look guidance in that down. I didn't know be some home.
Yeah be.
Last time see case Viana me na case worker send email or pay bibi actually say applicant no why adwuma work industry that or experience. Na me call say look requirements ni almost say brofo. Almost say police report. Brofo no watch police report or tuberculosis or the aba. And say experience okay. Most of them to me am adwuma and say or no na only tell me say but no experience na our farm. And don't you think you're going beyond your boundary?
Exactly.
Make sure come on the next day, not the person I'm on the
Yeah.
So, and Tisana at the end, so to me, a awarding body, no one approve na English, brofo, Sikasemo, Nina at there. Oh,
good. Where the M set here for Ochami and Osana was more. Na lawyer chechi mu ama yehu say requirements no kura no and test skilled workers there no enti ade a nyina yemfe na hwe because you see kruma omo hia nipa na your kwan bebre obi na kana so say there are so many ways of killing a cat. So many ways your kwan bebre dey kum okra na enti no ye momodi say ye dey ni so be cheche baby na nkoye say keke ya abaya no bia peso ye ke make I say amamfo bebre ba obeduru afeke o de koboso aro atere na o de koboso aro atere na you revoke dey so enti no mo be hwe dey because who special talent this is a no answer obehwem no awarding body no so the be able make application e that field no and also member lawyer any pana be do krom ha na obedru krom ha what next obedru krom ya ma na bia was satisfy requirement everything when ya visa no obedru krom we are there be me koso
so the maker no we category unia sponsor which is unia employer and unia bedru krom say it may take you time and so na when you adwuma o whatever it is so the maker no adwuma no po enye requirement because a chance or a lot of flexibility. Chance my one casano which may set up what you might. Oba corporate make say okay, it be a all the obey won't take from to go school. Service and amount which me go school.
Oh, okay.
Which me go school on part-time basis, which me go school on full-time basis. Which me a juma in that area for the now awarding body no I recognize your talent no. And which means also set up why we juma. It need idea is open to if I corner or we do chroma same.
Okay, so and your question is will be about 3 years now. O beat me just when you're indefinite. Enti Majidi says so about chroma no ma with this visa application, it may be an entry clearance. Now we drive when you're 3 years, and okay.
Yes.
Okay. Enti so when you're 3 years, no, that's 3 years the be a quite bad now befa so. And I said, what do you have to do? What make kasama or more free Ghana? Ya more 3 entry clearance or baba jini 3 years. 3 years no or pimping one first self-employed or yeah juma but me meet that requirement no. What is the way forward for anything?
The way forward is over indefinitely to remain. Remember I said indefinitely to remain not there. Kruma will be out for say which indefinitely to remain now. So apart from EU4 now, on CITI indefinitely to remain under appendix EU, no, which is before now arrested permanent residence card. No. Say on our go school or how now I 10 years so. One hour parent route to Ona oye die you obia be English bi wa no na wasan I life you kin and no now the back wo indefinitely to remain.
Yeah.
And the same requirement now be meeting. Okay. So okoye I indefinitely to remain after some few me and sana not just say so we should say life you kin why you English and so.
Now degree.
Oh, degree as obviously 1 year English.
Exactly, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And and only the only essential requirement. Na be a chance a we year chuma. Na the indefinite mouth but which me do kwaku. And as I there were no recourse to public fund. And person who should say we year chuma. So the at least we year chuma there and yes say ma indefinite be year chuma. But 1 year chuma there, e ma indefinite and yes we ko bicycle. Okay.
All right, that's fine. No, yeah, that's it. Better say. Answer na you better so the same busa questions about omo free Ghana eba no. Na you be call omo UK hada no. Na answer na you be call so no etifo your mama ya we say dwumadi and say program yi City Law Solicitors omo na aso ya sene a omo de bre and I say Omama Jumadi Basso. Now City Law Solicitors, Omo Unit 113 Barking Enterprise Center, 50 Cambridge Road, Barking, SS, IG 118FG. Say, oh, show my chair choir. Omo telephone number is 020 3355 0782. 020 3355 0782. I'm saying Jumadi de bia ye bo hu de ro na amanfo ka say oh lawyer to da me frɛ me nya o ye busy eni baba akofo bia no wo court e bia na attend review bi e bia na on the client e wo ho it is all friend the personal number o wo na wo nya na o frɛ officer wo competent staff just omo no be ka say ye omo te so no they are all qualified lawyers. Into mobile timi age message na so pass man no from baka on be pass man no to sremo a mo mention so na City Law Solicitors are specializing immigration law, employment law, family law, personal injuries and clinical negligence, commercial dispute and civil litigations, housing law, consumer law, na media and entertainment law. Inti eba mremu dia na chese emfoni nchebe bia said the lawyer told the boss here or church mu say o pese wo ko na ohun sa special body no omo ebeboa ami ehun ba bia wadwuma no say o wadwuma yi de we ne betimi aboa no ya application fa beda omo lawyer ebeboa ama bibia koso ma kama eni upe we na upe de omo dia say o ko so ye na City Law omo ba ama yinyina. All right, lawyer me to aso na answer na me komanim no me share Facebook. Say Edward my whole question Edward also me so question no you be answer along the question lines no you be answer na you be answer na Rosina also so question no you be answer Edward ni Rosina mo share Kofi Asante so na church yawo enti lawyer ya to aso no yemra omo ba UK hanan with this category no and I said with this scheme no say obi aba UK and that's what we had an existing applicant and also so no quite by visa type of visa ben is independent and sana e be otimi am making application no and it so homa omo UK hanan.
Yes, and that's very homa obia na so we show more na say adia omo versus bia ukuta na wo kromasia untumi enswitch
okay
emphasize bisawi didi kan so the visit is run out the ba kromasia untumi enswitch na enkoje sabisawi because wo ba asa wo ba vesra na wasa yako
okay
and it's wo pese wo ba betremu di edi bia na wa bewo na mfano sense a aban edu fi Ghana ba se be adwuma as diplomat the diplomat now about so Baby to say na. To make us say, I am a buy, no. We do come have the eye with you, into my baby before, and also ultimate answer. So diplomatic visits from among count. Parents are more student parents visits. Let me say, student parents visits or
oh, yeah.
Or more was can now, my dear Mumba. One mark, Barnaby or 10, 12, or the Naba or private school, parent no, the Naba. Honestly, a man of visa, my veteran room, I say, the man of Susano,
I'm sure.
Marco school, or also own to me switch.
Oh, okay.
Na, ya were monson so, would be a sick and be, or no so ban or would be a one of fee from domestic assistance, or also yet Jumamano. I was also boss for a banner. That can want so Baby one I Juma only fee. Also by an opera so Janet Debbie, a coin was on so on count.
Okay.
Now, so we sang for fool, if you were the Aminia Bema. Naturally say, Obia, or more Markham, Obia, 8 maybe. 80 kind students or more mercy.
Okay.
To me straight away and then so when we school now post study visitors were to me on our that 10-year route so now so person was son to me on EU dear remember said that I about come off in portfolio we now don't know yeah energy or corner or copy now say na pipeline no more on also to me that sir and you know we show mu the NHS say apart from Kofa, my common once a week. Bia, what did I saw or Sarkwan with? Wow.
And it also a homo bia. It will have make us say we dependent. We need Kunuba school and I say you Kunuba band as school workers now on any buyer. On also so obeying us.
But even or more like or more the care in all the categories care workers or mean so to me switch and I say apart from Kofu Mabui who be as care workers so nurses so or mean in fact the only Kofu moon to me aims to serve route talk medical doctors.
Oh really?
Among the skilled workers or right. Or Kofu no ain't me to serve route.
Somewhere special AB.
That's right.
Exams be me and that's right. Syrians and
but any other scientists or whatever actors, yes, film actors, those in fashion industry, all of them, they can do it.
The here so open sponsorship body and as endorsing body.
Endorsing body rather.
Endorsing body, no.
Yeah.
Now just I omotimi
I grant to approval.
No.
Yeah.
Wow. Now, I mean, they say, I know, who come out, oh, yeah, you Ghana for no, who come out, oh, you know, and also requirements, especially one be Honwana, go out, had done.
Yes, wow, had that done, the nature say, if I say, if I am fat, you are a student now by Obaku school, Kakra. A beer for the walk of food on one, oh, we are the Omopejuma. Last client be about me officer so almost say when you do navy but conformance in the best time maybe a true no and yeah there or me to me a fan. And in this case say if you are exceptionally good and say why your application to that body no so more approval or visa no have it because remember I say sponsorship licensing scheme no my introduction.
Yeah.
And yeah, Juma Biana or more person more yibi. In fact, there are some as I talk to you now, no, and no I'm called we frame me a nipper ya a lances man or so my man 50 a year some fan conform me. Or no, this our client and my the crew me. I found out what to say, you will be looking for a sponsorship license. I found out, yeah, when you might be free or no more, or more non name class say, or more license. But or more qualified for major licenses. Sometimes an over call more on so corporate man, one person foul. But or moon to me, Mawo Jumano, and Johnson. And it's all crew must in our yes, I will need to say, when you approval for a body now. We can work for all those industries now. Or fraud.
Lawyer, a better was pa. A dear for that lawyer Thomas Bebenyo, I say, and then when you have a trainer, what you musa. Lawyer made about who chat to na a fee, your beer phone line start to my team for a friend. So that type of visa, you refuse you. Now, a dear remember you refuse visa. Now, if you refuse so, a quenya bend the wall, say be a bit me a pele, and I say be bit more request for review be, and I be visa.
Good. I did about one, and say, and go for you, say, all the skilled worker categories, including this route, you know. There is always one major grounds which is the part 9 of the immigration rules, paragraph 341. If you want no more, you refuse to or your application, you know, or disclosure.
Okay.
If you want no more, why your application be over baby. Be a new kuma America, Canada, the passport be a stamp. Or your application, besides the refuse to any other country, or sit there be. Or passport is you be a mono, na you refuse to that. Not just say, or trying to. And it's also more been my checker. As long as Yamawo approval certificate, no. You need any grounds be to the best of my knowledge.
Okay.
I bet me the ignorance of the refusal. So the main difficulty challenge, let's say Ubinyasa approval from sir awarding body.
Okay.
I said a skilled workers here as long as your man certificate of sponsorship, sometimes some of the sponsors, you know, who will acquire mistake. I always say in Pakone, your requirement, for example, last week, we about office and Ubiamano sponsorship certificate from outside London, baby.
Yeah.
And ordinary a buy say, go for me in a job mobile, and one application. The cool movie and I'm a kind of papa. Why a lucky pa say, Uba officer, because I got send him we idea, shall say. Application here refuse you every. One income requirement, salary a year, home office at least won't mean 3 obi less than £10, 10p an hour. Now say, what shall say, though or more the ashahonomo, say minimum salary, no, say 20,480. So 20,480, no. So the balcony here 40 hours, sir. Not just say, so would divide there. A week beyond 4.3 times 52 weeks divided by South Africa, but also open less than £10, 9 point something. That in itself is outright refusal because a mandatory requirement.
That's right.
Now, so this is number 1 and can be refusal. English is so wrong format.
Oh, is life
skills. Now, guys, look, these 2 reasons in terms of why Maha, Yankopa for Maha, and go with his scan, I will see certificate, Abre and Yama, pushing in our person in the band. So the point is that some of these technicalities, go for more Ghana. Sometimes I have no mukasa, I always try to advise because the point is say income I no least mistake I be refusing because there are these mandatory requirements there. One metia case we can have no choice than so be refusing. Sanity.
You are for and then yate every lawyer Thomas Bebenyo ano na refuse that but mandatory requirements no meet here not just say no a bad day pass or make us all more refuse you. Now in case you refuse you makonya beno or say judicial review and appeal be and I be now.
Yes, most times you refuse sure and difficult because the only way now which my administrative review.
Okay.
Now administrative review no so no. Not just say unless a case worker no I a mistake.
Okay.
Me find say you train the chrono 20,000 480 a year. Now be hours almost over year juma. Or my children say be 40 hours, but excluding break. Not just obey 39 hours.
Okay.
And you know, not just be a case we cannot interpreting it now a mistake. We are in treaty review now. I say, correct is a mistake.
Okay.
But assuming say genuinely, the say papa yeah, me can I say why a mistake? Now say mistake, you know. 1 hour yes, I'm saying no meeting requirements now. We are in treaty review now. I am fan of they will say maintain the same decision because case work cannot any mistake.
Good. Thank you very much, lawyer. I'm saying Brando call a tier for the 4 and Brando call. You may be a full life platform. Now, you have an opportunity to call and maybe a question be say I need the topic you could question be a chair wardrobe to be a lawyer or high over 2 about your chichimo. Studio number no and I'm there to screen so now me see swama or more 079 32 93 4518 079 32 93 4518 Ana bakubi mekan we 074 40 33 8623 074 40 33 8623. Iti wait me first studio has to see na lawyer wa hide when you have a tray ato ne bo ase achechi mu amount. Iti you train of course iti for ene ahwefo you train mu. You train ma iti for afre no. Mama acknowledge crofo kakra abaso. All right, Edward also Chaka, I have a question. Does someone already on the skilled worker scheme working in the UK be able to switch to the special scheme? Edward, I hope say along the line, let me say lawyer be answer. I hope say what your answer question we am. I will say quite a whole visa be apart from the boy, you know, say you visit any diploma visa near the nobody me as switching. All right, Kofi Asante, I say Kwame, good job. Thank you very much, Kofi. Rosina J, I say lawyer. With what you just said, what about the dependents? You, Rosina, also lawyer answer question. Dependents, akwenya strong or homa dependents will be able to apply.
Yeah, cover dependents, which is wife or partner, and then children under the age of 18. But the only thing is, what's the application fee for the main applicant? No, £156. And you don't pay immigration scratch charge. Dependents, each year £608. No more science where you immigration scratch charge.
Okay.
That's a big difference.
Thank you very much. Gabriel Bankore, also good evening, gentlemen. Good work. Thank you very much, Gabriel. Thank you, Mr. Bankore. Obaya Pokia, Mami you, Papa B. Manchester, Chesham, Mami you. Also good job as always. God bless you. Your good work. Lawyer and Chaka, greetings to you all. Thank you very much. About you, sure I was say any kind words. Sure. And that's it for your tremor, my friend. Lawyer, you can't tell for my question about could be in trouble. Adam said, DV, domestic violence victims. So, Quenya so, committee me about ama omo. And therefore, once a people say like a question, we know. Ultimate friend number no go screen so far you better post now lawyer answer question because more priority. Lawyer. Now when you have be a friend me then I say Chaka busa lawyer mama oni broni be na tie. Na broni no e bi no. Oh then the first caller. Hello, caller. Pacho, free. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening, Minyaba. Pacho, free. Yo. Oh, Ernestina. Yo, in your feedback with you. But Momodia na say be back of mama and this how they kasa.
So I'm Majina me baswaje entre bolo ya basu bebe ya min plan wana juma pa oye.
Amen. Yo, Ernestina, Yamin Shaw. Say the be American Jesus Christo or Sangrofo bebre yare. Na ba ko pena ebedi ananse na I'm say what demonstrated that. It Yamin Shaw say what lawyer aya dia ma o na say what bo application akoso na one friend edi ananse Yamin Shaw bebre. We happy client and afra oboloya any city law abasono. Eti phone line still mufra na yato aso. Your lawyer tibini abaye American asemi. Oni burinite. Nam say Brunino abuse no emotionally. So sakra there was a time or hospital. Na am say uchi see na apa no kohwe won operation akwa emu ko brain ambulance be fa no. The doctor na examine the doctor who say Ibia said try to kokoso. Busa said they no see Brunino the 2 keyboard no. Was hey we the more no free police. Na police ba mo no. Ana yebeche Bruni and then koto mu. Ti echi Bruni no. Ana police for no. Later we are hwehwe mo no so okay him say evidence thing here. Na again am press charges. Enti no omuja Bruni no. But then ya separate and as one separate. As I say, get no e won kra oba you know a true spouse you know the nya visa. To won kra ko form so free Ghana ba omu nyina wo the same you know. It's only Bruni na separate. Ama ya I'm say ya mano ya assigning it to adult social worker. And names the children one class are involved. The question is say or the na year kotum the visa renewal so be renew the visa kotum. Osro say ebia oni Bruni na separate it bia em fama no. No busa na so ya yes our program wa ati we dey fa kwanya so na chire and that so and I say way forward for her.
Okay, so now what they na application had to me. So it looks like my name Tama incident we see here.
Okay.
Sana,
Incident this year after application.
Yes. That's a very good point for me. So incident I see after the application, so there have been what they call change of circumstance. And the application na edemuno. So normally we application na udu baby or maybe say do you have a pending application? And at this stage, you know, or which Mr. na a domestic abuse application, you know, DV application, domestic violence application, you know. Now we're switching the pending application to the domestic violence application. But the advantage is that instead of being a renewal, this application, no, every man an indefinite to remain. And the same is going to apply to Nkolano.
Good.
You know, so the key advantage of the abuse that has happened after the application, then it's more likely that if omitted requirements, a bit may affect the application.
Okay.
So, because obviously, why application as a spouse? So if you're not a spouse, then there could be complications.
Okay, but what we ask him also what a lot of money for is care room for this kind of application.
Yes.
It also not just in terms of the financial,
Yeah, but the good thing is that this application is free of charge.
The domestic one is free of charge.
Yes.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Thank you very much for this advice. It's even about question and a lawyer answer. Ebedi come back door na mama contact lawyer na ojina so ya switch application amount said there na yede hon come on lawyer nyame sha and then in why out there. And therefore, to do a question, be more. Yo, the Fubeni now, offer friend.
Hello, Chaka, good evening. Mommy,
Hey, Mammy, you, Manenque. Good evening.
I mean, travel, but I want to be brave before they give up our movie. And then I get me try to some are missing the baby anyway, and we go to Israel. Now, one question, Emma lawyer, the lawyer, I'm also with some questions the baby about parent root renewal. So we are how long does it take concern home office for and so I'm also with that check.
Yeah.
I try to say, oh, when you do sure. To see how long does it take? It did 10 months about work up a year, 11 months, to move to the office, to be a few activity actually, why?
Okay.
Now we come on, bye.
You, Mami, yes, that.
Yes, you, Mammy.
Sadly, no. The only application I currently, no, or share family route now. The only application I currently, no, and not dear. At less than 2 months, we'll be a decision, a spouse or partner route.
Okay.
Or more we parent route, you know, and a 10-year, 20-year route, you know. So our private life applications, you know. In most cases, you know, we are looking at about 8 months to a year, if not 13 months. And you know, most of the clients at this time, no bad. Now, I told what's our church, them say, Minia, application way, you know, what do you 2 more ever check? So, plans will be 2 point. You will premium or 1 or more making decisions within 5 working days. But unfortunately, no bit we are additional £800 to get that decision within 5 working days. And to the TNSA, a man for anxious, a man for panic. Because what we have noticed in the say, a call round, so maybe business be okay. For be a chance, be a call, that's one in life.
Yeah.
And for BBC, bruh, would you come on watch out with interviews? No more over Sabro.
Okay.
And they're not just be a problem with application. It's just because there is huge backlog because of COVID, because of Ukraine war, and for those reasons, you know, I'm a backlog or no more case workers not struggling with.
All right. Yo, Mammy, you, ATM said, lawyer, answer our question. Thank you very much. Sir, also the about. ATM from say, Yajimumre, na you be sorry so. ATM lawyer, with your final words, we go on our casusua under 2 minutes. Pomodiana summarize my na yonko.
You mean the chairman na the kind of the beer say, and the mobile car, your home. Miss Shramo, more frail than to me. Be an amount to me on farm, and yes, be a wapire, a Jimana Dawson, my if I say a boa be and so, and tea a Jimanon so your beam lawyers be kind one a Jumano, into Muslim, why Moma Monfa office number no, and let's say lady be frame, Miss Cana, or fair not, the most of friends as nominate another person in a phone so. And offer office number no. I've noticed several phones are my colleague back on the message, you know. When you are not my phone, not my friend, and then I can say. And sometimes I'm not to be not my
last corner, Yanko. Yo, hello, good evening. Other for me now for friend. Hello, Pacho, your phone said now, for friend. Okay. Pacho Manenkwe. A formula. Okay, but I say you Manenkwe. Manenko.
Yeah, and I'm a friend. Me follow ya so na my son so. I'm not that so. Na my count so actually. Yeah, I'm gonna phone you now say. Didi kaya dia no ho so wa ben pa o de ma de and o you way to my son or the na ho
Good.
And then I'm kwenya we so e kan for na chega na fu na say e kwan dia so a we na lawyer so o kwan dia so o you to my mama say o ben city law on the shenu mo di wasa na amara kuma so we so na ta kwan so e bo lawyer ba so akaka for na so ni di pa we no koso e ni di pa na
Yo, many about Yamin Shaw so Yamin Shaw say, Obedi Adansepa, Afa City Law Home, and a lawyer Thomas, Yamin Shaw, yes, you dance. Why? Bye bye. Bye. Yo, lawyer, I'm saying, happy client.
Yes, Sana Epeno, Sabio, Tabia Mekase, then say, client and all day. Assemble pro na obe suppose a problem no e na inhira no I say so for wabom pai na yakopon etinya so na watin fa kunsu
I say wadi loto no so for di loto
so I just start na yes enti mesre ka o minia no mo aya mo fra mama bu mfume enya se bia enya obu na memfa mamu sometimes na adwuma no do so ni ntina ya bia adwuma mu na yede nkofo aka ho so mo so nyina ebo anti say so frem na say o nyame a frɛ offer ga nkofo compense o lawyer na offer na on tumi mfa no ana say o fa
hey this is what I said
and the kind bi e kan bi sa be ra hoye oh we can say what is me ya de pa but your frame me a ya me mfa but yes but the good thing is say nkofo we bring so ba so say enyuma mo de mai no ye mom so tell me can tell say kasa anya dey am pepepe me adwuma no na hia me
and correct
sir but kasa no sometimes we go on my way a bit apprehensive so na kasa na o come
situation down
o man encouragement and so me here but then I'm said man doors no to bia into me enye ni nyina ma obia akoma Anthony but ni nyina so no ye bompa ya mamu nyina obia de peba chese obi edi hodase ya ne ade no saa na ye pese ye no ntui na na dwi medamu nyina se mo a mo be kan ho ye adwuma no enso so enso my encouragement say maybe no bibi foforo aba bia ba betwitwa na nkofo nso enya ho faso nti medamu ase.
Thank you very much, lawyer. Chief Lancaster also from our own fa. Chief, I my Zaka message, Mr. Everything is recorded. Is under control. Why, Chief? Chief. Yeah, therefore, you see, I will be Oba Naomi. I mean, Oba Yapukia. That is Mami. You. I say, well answered, lawyer. Thanks very much. Ernestina Kakari, I say, good job. Enti yebesi ana yachia obia na mechachia mikufo amani apokru yekuo Hackney FC na Kwame Kofida Moa Kwame Adoma ko papa boati ura Hackney mayor eko ase awala straight ase mechachia na machachia Roman Catholic RCGSS mi school for mechachia munyina Josephine Obajo authentic maybe obia mechachia ene Kontonchi Royals yenana your president ene Pokuya your VC any all the members the church amonya ejefonya hwefonya me aduma next week Tuesday lawyer beba be English version with another interesting topic na Wednesday no ye de twi no ahihye so ti ye mo sese mo agibre na ene mo ne yen ewie dwumadi onyame nka obi bia ho nyame aduma ye be hia e mamu nyina bye bye.